In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear outside tail lamp assembly on this Ford Fusion. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we have to do is have the trunk in the open position. On each side of the vehicle, we have to remove the inside panel. For this, you're going to find that you have two tabs that you should be able to turn counterclockwise to remove. These essentially just hold this panel in place. There's one up high, one down along the bottom here. Now we can take hold of this and we'll gently start flexing it out of the way so we can gain access along the back side of the tail lamp assembly and the body of the vehicle. If you have a hard time grabbing onto it, you could use a plastic trim tool. We'll pull it out from under this area. It just slides right out. There we are. Now in along this area, you're going to find two 10mm headed mounting nuts. Now continuing from here, we're going to have to use our trim tool and we'll gently start pulling the tail lamp assembly away from the vehicle. To do this, it actually wants to come out towards the side of the vehicle, not straight towards the rear. Make our way along. We'll disconnect our electrical connector. For this, it does have a locking tab. You want to squeeze that in and pull this out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion. There it is, friend. Now it's time to install our tail lamp assembly. Let's start with the electrical connector. For this, we're just going to align it. We'll press it in, listen for a click from the locking tab. A light tug, make sure it's secure. Continuing from here, we need to align this and press it towards the center of the vehicle once everything's properly aligned. Now let's make our way inside the trunk. In this area, we'll be using our two 10mm mounting nuts for each one of the two studs on the tail lamp assembly, holding it to the body of the vehicle. Continuing on, we're going to make sure we tuck the inner liner in and behind the seal and underneath our trim panel here. You can see it makes its way along there. That's good. Install our plastic nuts here. Okay, friend, we finished the installation of our outside tail lamp assembly. The next thing that you want to do is go ahead and test the functionality. After that, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.